This after the side pannier, fixing the side panniers, I have fixed the rack pack set on the Hayabusa. You can see how it looks. So when I can put the side pannier, now I have removed it. The side panniers will come there. The racks are put, and on top of that, rack pack set will come. So the advantage here is that if the pillion is sitting at high speeds, pillion can have a backrest too, because the soft rack pack set. This is how the bike looks after the installation of rack pack set by SW-Motech. So the side panels will come as it is now on the rack. The rack pack bag is also sitting there comfortably. The pillion will have a backrest, high speeds. So 2 persons can carry luggage from side panniers. Rack pack set looks. See how it looks from the side. Backrest. Touring ready Hayabusa. Touring ready Hayabusa. Hayabusa is adventure touring ready. You can see the entire setup now. So this is earlier installed two SW-Motech panniers. Now this is on top. You can see behind rack pack set. Rack pack set came little late, around 2 months late. So it's imported from Germany. We don't get it here. It's imported by Big Bad Bikes in Bangalore. So I'll just show you the walk around of the entire bike. So please. So this is how it looks. So the SW-Motech bag. So from behind, it looks like an ADV setup though. Adventure touring setup. It's a sports tourer, but I have made it adventure touring. Cannot do off-road, extreme off-road, but normal off-road can be done. So you can see the bag, both side left and right. How that bike looks.